It's KJH Family and Fun. Hi, I'm Katie, the filmmaker slash artist. So today I'm just taking a break from Sunday, and yeah, you know what I'm doing. I'm just cooking or something, but it's not just any old ordinary cooking like I usually do. But it's like a how-to videotape. So all I got is this potato, which I already heat in the microwave, and there's also this bag that I'm going to make for tortillas. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to be making one of these stuffed up taco thing with potatoes, or what I would rather call Papas Fritas, which sounds like a Spanish word meaning French fries or some sort, because I used to study Spanish when I was back in my high school days. Yeah, I took 2 Spanish classes anyhow back in my Spanish days and learned that Papas Fritas is a Spanish word meaning French fries. So we're just going to make some fried tortilla shells and see how it goes. Let's see. Hi, it's me again. I'm back from cooking, and guess what I cooked? I finally cooked these Papas Fritas. Yeah, I know they probably don't look good, but maybe I can just try one out and see. Yeah, it tastes good, but it seems like it needs a little salt to begin with if it wanted to taste like French fries. But just like you see in this cut through scene, is that I did add some cheese on that instead of salt or anything else. Yeah, that's probably what I figured it needs, a blend of salt or something. So I also got these potato chips right here that is also made out of these tortilla chips, which is also tastes good. And I did let my mom cook the tortilla chips instead of the, well, you know what. So I put them out to say thanks for watching this video tape by me. You can just hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and you can just try out my other 2 channels and subscribe to me. And I'll see you in the next video, and make sure you give the artist and filmmaker a high five. So thanks for watching.